Good morning, students. Now CMST class, HS2NDYR Commerce. So we have done first simple interest, compound interest, then we have done annuity, then we have done linear inequalities and graph. Also we have done permutation. I have done almost all the sums. Example you will practice, that is sufficient for exam. Today little bit that is our combination will start. What is combination? So today we will start combination. Permutation and combination, this is similar like that. Permutation we are writing NPR, where combination is NCR. They are not equal. If we divide this by factorial R, then it will be NCR. NCR also already we have said collection, not arrangement. Collection of R objects from N objects taking R at a time. देखो हम लोगों के पास N ऑब्जेक्ट्स है, उसमें से R एक साथ लेके अरेंजमेंट नहीं, सिर्फ लेना है, तो कितने तरीके कर सकते हैं, उसको बोलते हैं NCR. NCR का फॉर्मूला क्या है? NPR by factorial. Relation between NCR and NPR is this. NPR is what? Factorial N divided by factorial N minus R. This factorial R, if we write, this is our NCR. So this is the formula for combination of N objects taking R at a time. So many theorem formula is there. You will practice at home. That is what is solved on that, so you can do at home. Now we will do exercise 2.2. Already we have done exercise 2.8. Now we will do this one, and for that, this exercise 2.2b. First question they asked, find the value of 7C3. Now, what is NCR? Just we have said factorial N by factorial R divided by factorial N minus R. Here also you will use this one, factorial 7, factorial 3, factorial 7 minus 3. Factorial 7 can be written as 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. This is the factorial 7. Factorial 3 is 3 into 2 into 1 not written. 7 minus 3 is 4. So factorial 4 is 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. That cancel. 3 2 are 6, so 35 is the answer of this one. देखो यहाँ पे क्या दिया है? 7C3. 7 NCR का फॉर्मूला है factorial N divided by factorial R into factorial N minus R. तो यहाँ पे क्या लिख सकते हैं? factorial 7. नीचे क्या लिखेंगे? factorial 3 divided by into factorial 7 minus 3. factorial 7 को इस तरह लिख सकते हैं, factorial 3 को 3 into 2 into 1 लिख सकते हैं, 7 minus 3 मतलब 4, factorial 4 को 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. आफ्टर कैंसिलेशन हम लोगों का आंसर मिलता है 35. Now we will do question number 2 of this. Question number 1, 2 of exercise 2.2 of this exercise. Here said find NC3 if NP3 is equal to 336. What they asked? NC3. So we have one relation between NC3 and NP3. It is what? NP3 divided by factorial 3. NP3 is what? 336. Factorial 3 is what? 3 into 2 into 1, 6. So we can cancel these two by what? So answer I think 56. यहाँ पे क्या दिया हुआ है? NP3 का वैल्यू दिया हुआ है 336. क्या निकालना है? NC3 का वैल्यू निकालना है. तो एक फॉर रिलेशन यहाँ पे है कि NCR को हम NPR डिवाइडेड बाय फैक्टोरियल R लिख सकते हैं. तो यहाँ पे भी यही R की जगह पे 3, तो NPR डिवाइडेड बाय फैक्टोरियल 3 लिखेंगे. NP3 का वैल्यू 336, तो 336 by 6 56 होता है. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 3. Question number 3 of this question is 12C8 plus 12C7. एक फॉर्मूला यहाँ पे दे रखा था कि NCR, I will write this formula for your convenience. It is what? NCR plus NCR minus 1 is equal to N plus 1 CR. NCR minus 1 is equal to N plus 1 CR. So if I write here 12C8, R की जगह पे 12C8 minus 1 that is 7. तो क्या होगा? N plus 1 that is 12 plus 1 C8. Isn't it? N is 12, R is 8, N here, R minus also 8, minus 1, N plus 1, 12 plus 1, C, R की जगह. Now you compare this and that. 12C8, 12C8, 12C7, yes, 8 minus 7. So automatically its value will be 13C8. Now if I now break factorial 13, factorial 8, factorial 13 minus 8. Factorial 13 can be written 13 into 12 into 11 into 10 into 9 into factorial 8. See, I have written this one. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 and here factorial 8. Factorial 8 and here factorial 5. These that cancel. Factorial 5 also I want to break 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. So now see that 5 2 jar 10, 4 3 jar 12. So answer coming in these values, and that value is, if we multiply then it is the 117 and into 11 117, so it is 1287. 1287 is the answer. देखो यहाँ पे क्या दिया हुआ है, जो दे रखा है उसमें ये फॉर्मूला लगा दिया, तो इससे 13C8 बुक हो गया, तो इसका मतलब ये वैल्यू 13C8 है, उसको ब्रेक करना है, करने के बाद ये निकाला है. So now next question is that is third question becomes, so I think 4 you can do. Question number 2 I will show. It is little bit extra type from this one. What is 2? They say 5n if 30 Cn plus 5 is equal to 30 Cn minus 3. They have asked to find n. How to get this one? Factorial 30 directly you break. Factorial n plus 5. Factorial 30 minus n minus 5. Just formula I have written here also. Factorial 30, factorial n minus 3, factorial 30 minus n plus 3. See what I have done, 30 minus n minus 3, 30 minus this. These two cancel. And we can write this one as 1 by factorial n plus 5. Shall I write? Okay, better complete. N plus 5. Here, no, it will be lengthy, so better next step we will do, otherwise I cannot accommodate all this. This 2 will give 25 minus n. Here, factorial n minus 3, and it is 33 minus n. Now, this, if we cross multiplication, it will go up, this will go up. Then n plus 5 will be n plus 5, n plus 4, n plus 3, n plus 2, n plus 1, then n minus 1. So it is a big sum. N minus 2. That is from n plus 5 to this one, divided by this n minus, then n minus 3 factorial will cancel each other. Now here you see that if we decrease one by one, then it is 33 minus n, 32 minus n. This way it will go on decreasing. 29 minus n, then 28 minus n, then 27 minus n, 26 minus n. So if we now compare, then what we will do? We will get some value. Another shortcut method is that then ultimately it is a big calculation, then you will get the value of n. Its shortcut method is what? Now this one I will do by an easy method of 1 marks. This way also can do, and it is the normal procedure, it is a big time consuming. Suppose NCR is equal to NCP. Then either R is equal to P or R plus P is equal to N. This or that condition. Two combinations if equal, then R is equal to P or R plus P is equal to 1. So therefore, as these two are equal, this cannot be equal to that one. So what will be that? Using that formula, n plus 5 plus n minus 3 is equal to 30. So we get twice n plus 2 is equal to 30. So twice n is equal to 28. So n is 40. So you can use this formula. It will be more easier for you. Now student, with that we will not continue this one, that much for today. Next day onwards we will do the revision. You know your syllabus is up to permutation combination. Now give your attendance in the comment box also. That much for today.